Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started. This gold chart, monthly chart, I made on October 15th, and where I show that it's the wave 4 probably be ending, and we will start wave 5 to the upside, which we did after coming down here. And this is a weekly chart showing the same thing, wave 4 ending here around 1576, above 1576, around this area. And then it started to go to the upside, where 5 supposed to be here. Now, after that, I made several charts, but I'm going to skip those to make the video short. So we went up there all the way. This was my first target, 1920, and then I said we're going to drop to 1802 and then go to the upside. And these are the highs also. Keep an eye on those. So we came down exactly 1802. Then we went up, and I said, okay, now this band is probably going to stop the move, or if we break it, we will go to the upside. So what happened? This band stopped the move, and then I said, okay, now we're going to drop to 1877 and then go to the upside. And then we dropped to 1877, and I made this chart saying that look for a bounce above 1877 on the 16th August. So it is start to bounce. Now, this is my first scenario. And I said that if we can break this in 1959, then we can go to the upside. If not, then we might drop for a wave 2 and then go up for wave 3 as long as we stay above 1877. That was my first scenario. Second scenario is that we will drop below 1877 and then go down to 1802, which is this. Right? So if we can't go above 1959, then we drop. And then if we break 1877, we will go down to 1802. Now, what happened is that my first scenario is still working, and we came down a little bit around 1900, and then now going to the upside. So I made this chart saying that, okay, we drop 1959, we drop here into this area, 1916 and 1912, even 1900 actually, right? This is 1902, weekly low, I guess. So I said, okay, from now on, according to my first scenario, it will bounce and then go back to 1959. And so far, this chart turned into this from here to here today on the 18th September. Now, going to the upside, I make several trades going up and down. Whenever it makes a turn, if I see my entry, then I take the trade. Now, going to the upside, yesterday I got the entry, long entry, and what was that? Was this one. See that this big move, then retrace and then start to go from 1925 to 1933. Right? So this is the trade, and this is what's happening. So now basically what's happening is now let me go to the live chart. So this is going to the upside. Now, what I'm thinking now is that it is, if you pull the fib from here to here, it is 61%. So it may continue go to the upside to 78% and then drop to 38 and go up, or from 61, if it makes the turn and make the reversal candle, it may drop to 23% line and then go to 78. Okay, so these are the couple of scenarios. That long trade I closed already, and I'm waiting for volume to come in and then see what happens. All right, and then I will trade accordingly. So all in all, this is the weekly chart. The first scenario is working out, and we are above 1920 and trying to go to the upside. So let's see if we continue to go to the upside. Doing so, USD must help, and USD should be getting weaker. USD is going to get weaker, then yen is going to get strong. So all yen pair will be going down, including euro yen, pound yen, USD yen, all of that. So I'm also looking into that yen trades, but also gold to the upside. Next target again, 1959, break that, and we continue to the upside. All right. So this is how the gold is behaving right now, and trade accordingly, whatever the system you're using. I'm making this video basically for my subscribers, so they know how to trade, and they have my system and they have everything, right? You guys? All right. So hit the market now. Let's see what happened. Market is very, very slow. I don't know what the heck they're waiting for, but probably red news, some kind of red news, right? or some kind of other news that I'm not aware of, but I'll be watching. Okay, so this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because I'm uploading a lot of videos and you should get it as soon as possible, because you can trade accordingly, right? Next video I will make about the oil, US crude oil. Okay, so this is it for now for gold, and talk to you guys later.